Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Pinataob ng Al-Ali Benghazi ang ASL 91-66. Panalo naman ang Al-Ali Tripoli kontra sa United Arab Emirates National Team 94-79. Wagi naman ang Strong Group Athletics kontra sa Homenet Men 104-96. Top performer si Dwight Howard sa likod ng kanyang 32 points, 7 rebounds, 5 blocks. Nagtala naman ng 19 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal si Kevin Kiambao. Andre Blatz 18 points, 6 rebounds, 4 assists. Andre Robertson 13 points, 8 rebounds. Mackenzie Moore 12 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists. Justin Baltasar 8 points, 4 rebounds. Jordan Heddings 2 points, 4 rebounds, 11 assists, 2 steals. Para naman sa Lebanon na Homenet Men, Zachary Lofton 37 points, 8 rebounds, 7 assists. Dewen Pernell Jackson 16 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Tinalo naman ng Beirut ang Al-Wada 89-87. Heto ang team standings ngayon. Sa Group A, Al-Riyadi 2 wins, 0 loss. Al-Ali Benghazi 2 wins, 0 loss. Al-Nassr 1 win, 1 loss. Tunisia National Team 1 win, 1 loss. ASL 0 win, 2 losses. Sadjis AC 0 win, 2 losses. Sa Group B, Strong Group Athletics 3 wins, 0 loss. Al-Ali Tripoli 3 wins, 0 loss. Beirut 1 win, 1 loss. United Arab Emirates National Team 0 win, 2 losses. Homenet Men 0 win, 2 losses. Al-Wada 0 win, 2 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.